Solve the right triangle, triangle ABC, given that angle C equals 90 degrees, AC equals 41 centimeters, and BC equals 29 centimeters. Round answers to one decimal place. To solve a triangle means to calculate all unknown sides and angles. First, draw the given triangle. Sides can be labeled using lowercase letters that are the same as the opposite angles. For example, for angle A, the opposite side is labeled lowercase a. B and the opposite side is lowercase b, and angle C, its opposite side is lowercase c. We use the given information to calculate any of the unknowns. We can use SOHCAHTOA, which corresponds to the trigonometric ratios sine, cosine, and tangent. Sometimes we'll have to use Pythagorean theorem, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Sometimes we can use the fact that there's 180 degrees in a triangle. This is used if we know two of the angles, then we can find the third. For this particular question, angle C is the right angle. Putting in A and B, we know that AC is 41. Note that this is side B. And BC, which is actually side A, is 29 centimeters. The first thing we can do here is calculate side C using Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals a squared plus b squared. Substituting in 29 in place of a and 41 in place of b, taking the square root of both sides, we get c is equal to the square root of 2,522, or approximately 50.2 centimeters. We can then find angle A using the tangent ratio. Note that relative to angle A, side A is the opposite side, and side B is the adjacent side. Note then that tan A equals opposite over adjacent, which is equal then to 29 over 41. We can get angle A by taking the inverse tangent then of 29 over 41. Substituting this into a calculator, we get angle A equals 35.3 degrees. Once we have angle A, and we already know that angle C is 90 degrees, we can calculate angle B simply by the fact that there's 180 degrees in a triangle. Angle B is going to be 180 minus 90 minus 35.3. This gives a result of 54.7 degrees for angle B. We then have AB equals 50.2 centimeters, angle A equals 35.3 degrees, and angle B equals 54.7 degrees.